Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392. Now I'm here at Caffeine and Cars out here in Choctaw. And we got a small gathering out here, but we do have a gathering. They're gathering. As I speak, they're gathering. They're coming in. Okay? So I'm going to walk around and show you what's out here this morning. It's a bit chilly out here. Last time I was out here a month ago, man, it was nice and warm and everything. It's chilly out here this morning. But let's look at this interior in this real. And this is nice. Red leather. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 68, 72 is perfect. 68, 72. Yeah.
Not on like Halloween. Thinking about like
Firewall back.
we're thinking about like the weekend before Halloween or like
Yeah, glass paint. This one. Is it? Really? That's this. So it's 60. 68. Okay, that's
supply you with the candy.
somewhere.
If we're doing a trick or treat.
Of course, now my regulators were pretty well frozen up, and I didn't buy new. I don't know.
Ooh, this is an old truck, man. This truck is older than me. I'm 65. This thing looking like older than me. I'm in better shape than this truck, though. I know that. But hey, you can easily fix this if you put the mind to it to do it. It's a Ford, too. That's nice. Oh, it's 1937. Gotcha. Okay. I love it.
Along with your phone.
All right, let's keep it going. It ain't many cars this guy, but hey, man, it is what it is, man. Come on. It's small, but it's something out here to see, you know. Old Stingray right here. Check this engine out on this bad boy. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Beauty rings and hubcaps. That's original. That's amazing. And I was showing this. I don't know. Does yours have the bumpers in the back? Oh yeah.
It doesn't have.
Stingray.
Okay.
I like it.
This was supposed to be advertised.
Check out this red, man. Check that out. Mm-hmm. I probably can get 2 videos out of this. I'm gonna try. So nice. Quadro. 4.
Bring those down a little further, but rust-wise,
Is this you, brother?
Yeah.
That's beautiful, man.
Had too dang many of them. Have too many of them now.
Huh.
Got a '61 two-door station wagon.
Okay.
With a motor and stuff in it.
That'd be really cool.
Yeah, my dad had a white '63. He's driven it over. Yeah, they're fun. You know,
34. This is nice. I like this.
yeah.
All right, let's get over here and get this. This is a SS. Let me see what this is. I know it's Chevelle. Chevelle. Malibu Beach, California. Malibu, California. I don't even think they call it Malibu Beach, California. They just call it Malibu now. I'm from California, guys. Santa Barbara. Country fair, country bread. There's some cars behind me. I think I'll start those cars behind me over here. These are over here. I'll get them. I'll make two out of it. I want to make at least 2 videos out of this. Ooh, look at this. Check this out. Wow. That's nice. Oh, you ain't going to stop. You're just going to keep rolling. Okay, cool. Quarter 7. Check this out. There you go.
It's not just for our business. Everybody in the shopping center is doing it. So the Mexican restaurant, the Great Clips, all 3 phone businesses, they're all in on it.
Where's it? Are you in one of the storefronts?
We're not in this shopping center. We're in the shopping center.
Oh, I know where you're at. I see. Okay, I know where you're
Right
at.
there. We're right there in the middle of AT&T
Oh, yeah.
and T-Mobile.
Okay.
But
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank
yeah,
you.
And those flyers, they've got our phone number on them.
Okay.
So if you guys are interested in coming out, give us a call.
Sure.
We if we have the date set, we can give it to you then. If not, we can.
Yeah, just put it on. Are you on Facebook? Obviously, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm on Facebook.
Well, they have a. They got a Choctaw.
19. Wow, this thing is beautiful. Great shape to be so old, man.
By doing this by word, it's trying to get the interaction. And if we don't have the date set,
Yeah, guys, I'm out here at Choctaw. And I'm going to be out here in at least another 30 minutes. Because it's getting cold out here, man. It's cold. I forgot to bring my gloves. I can't believe the last time I was here, I was burning up, man. It's hot. Now it's cold out here. Oh, look at this Z71. There you go. All right, guys, I'm going to end this one and start another one. It's Uncle Mike 392, and I'll see you on the other side late.